Height. Let's talk about height. So we talked about width in the last lesson and how it works with inline block and block elements, or how it doesn't work with inline elements rather. So I'm not going to go over that again. If that was sort of beyond your understanding when I just said this about 10 seconds ago, definitely go back to the lesson on width where I talk about the different display types. So let's go ahead and give this a height of 500 pixels as well. Height 500 pixels. And you can see that this is actually getting easier for us. We've spent a little bit of time together. We know that this is a property, this is a value, this is a selector, and we can have multiple declarations in here. And so width 500 pixels, height 500 pixels. We don't really need to go over like what height actually is in like the English language. We know what it is already. And we know that width works one way, so height should probably work a similar way. So we're speeding up how fast we can learn CSS here, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and refresh this page and get rid of that. And we have this big square. Now that might be too big. What I'm going to do here is select that 500 pixels, go to selection, add next occurrence, and now I can type in two places. Let's do 250 pixels each. Save that. Now we have a square. Now, as a quick recap, width and height are only going to work if you have display inline block or display block set. It's not going to work with inline, because I'll show you, just doesn't work with inline. Inline is supposed to be side by side, takes up the least amount of space. It's very, very polite. Whereas inline block and block are a little more selfish and they take up as much space as they possibly can, or as much space as you tell them to.